What's up, my BAM and subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today on the platter, we have BoxyCharm's base box. If you want to see what I got in January's base box, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? As I told you guys before, I am TonyaNicole. Welcome, guys, or welcome back. Today, just out of the blue, no tracking number, nothing. We got our BoxyCharm base box as well as our premium box. I took a little poll and you guys wanted to see the base box for January. So let's see if BoxyCharm is going to start off the new year on a roll or nah. Before we go any further, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Today's drink, y'all know I'm on this alcohol fast, so I got some water. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. This one is the $25 per month beauty subscription. You're supposed to get 5 full-size beauty products in this little box right here. And it's supposed to have an average value of $175. They do allow you to pick one product each month in this box. And I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. I can't remember what I chose this month for the base box, but I know I'll put it somewhere. I haven't opened this baby yet. So we're not going to waste no time because I want to see it, and I know you want to too. So let's just get on into it. Ooh, okay. So that's what she's looking like on the inside. We do, guys, get a card each month, and the theme for this month is Fresh Start. And I do hope that BoxyCharm is off to a great fresh start for this new year because, girl, it was so hit and miss last year. But for the most part, the base box was indeed my favorite. They do give us a list of all of the products that we received right there, guys. And the variation number this month is very strange. I'm going to put it towards the end of the video when I'm doing my final thoughts, just to see if you have the same numbers as I do. So the first product that I am pulling out is from Trust Fund Beauty, and this is the Lipgasm lip gloss right here. That is what the product is looking like, my loves. And I've never received this product before. I don't think I've heard of this one before. If you have, please let me know down below in the comments. Let's open her up. I hate ripping the box, but that's what I did. All right, let's see. So it's a lip gloss. Oh, it's pink. Okay, so that's what it's looking like outside of the packaging. I don't know if it's just this shade and it goes on kind of sheer, but this right here I'll be putting in a giveaway because I know I won't use this one. So let's see what it says on the little card. It says on this card, this is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss in the shade Unprofessional, okay? This is a sheer hot peach that will teach the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. Oh, I like that. It also says HR is already sweating. Okay, so this retails for $18, my loves, and it's just a lip gloss. So I think I'm gonna just actually swatch it. Let's see, because I mean, I guess you could never go wrong with the lip gloss, right? Okay, that's the applicator right there, and it's a hot peach. Okay, well, it doesn't really have like a strong tint. That's the color right there, if y'all can see it. All right, I'll get some use out of this. I can put this on when I'm going to work or when I'm sleeping, whatever. So, okay, next product out is from Apple and Balm. This is a glow lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals, okay? This is a lip mask. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, and rose hip oils that will work, oh Lord, I don't know these big old words, that will work to keep your lips chappe-free and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid the lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. And this retails, guys, for $25. Now, I don't know how I feel about getting a lip balm and then like a lip mask. I know they're different, but I would have preferred another product That's what it looks like outside of the case, well, the packaging. And it has a seal. I won't open this up, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but $25 for a lip mask. I wish I wouldn't have got 2 lip products. Let me know what y'all think about that, guys. And if y'all have these products, what are your thoughts on them? Next up, guys, is from Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer right there. Now, I am excited to see Pharmacy in the box. I absolutely love Pharmacy's products, and this is an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving your skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of, oh Lord, python nutrients. Girl, I'm gonna put the word right there. Y'all know I struggles with these words. Known to help clear your pores and reduce shine. This right here, guys, retails for $38, and I'm very excited to see Pharmacy. I love, love, love Pharmacy's products. You want to apply to a clean face in the morning and at night. All right, cool. It's ideal for combination and oily skin. So let's open it up. Ooh, this is the little jar right here, my loves. This is the full-size product, and in here you get 50 milliliters of product. I'm very excited about this because I could always use a good moisturizer. It comes with the little safety seal, and when we open it up, ooh, it smells really good. It's a nice green little gel, and I am very looking forward to using this. And I have combination oily skin, so that is perfect for me. And that's what it looks like, like rubbed into my skin. I know they had like 2 Pharmacy products you can get. I'm gonna try to find them and put them somewhere, but I'm happy that I got this product. Very happy. Next up is my choice item. I do remember this. This is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and I have the shade DG6 right here. If I'm not mistaken, I think they did have a few colors you can choose from. I actually forgot about this because I could have did like a little try on portion with this, but you do get 1.7 ounces of product in here. I am going to swatch it on my chest. All right, now my chest is lighter than my face, guys, so you know, it does come in this little squeezy tube. I chose the color that I thought would match me. Let me swatch it right there. Oh, it's very golden. Oh, if y'all can see, it is a tinted moisturizer. It's very golden, but I think I may be able to work with this. This may be a good foundation for me to use at work, since it is like a little tinted moisturizer, and I hate putting all of that on for work because I wear that mask. It says a multi-purpose, all-in-one, broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20 that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. Okay. All right, I'm excited about this. I really am. And this, guys, is $35. And out of the choices, I will put them somewhere around, you know, the screen. I think this one was the better one for me. And I wanted to try a foundation. So I'm happy that I chose that. I'm just hoping that it'll work on my face. So what y'all think? Let me know if y'all got this and what color you got. Did they have your color available or not? Just let me know. We're going to let that sit and dry a little bit. Next product. Oh, let me take a little drink. I'm kind of parched. All right, guys, and our final product comes from Voss, and this is the I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette, and I was hoping for this one, guys. Again, I think that it was between 2 palettes, and this one was the one that I was definitely hoping for because I love Voss, and I love that it's like an olive color, perfect for my color scheme that I normally go with. This is what it looks like right there, loves. When we open it up, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. This is the palette right here. Gorgeous. It's a lot of olive tone. Well, a couple of green tones, mauve, dark burgundy, black. I'm sure you can create a lot of looks with this palette. Only thing this row here I wish would have been like a little deeper, maybe more browns, but I do love this palette. I am going to swatch a few of the colors. That's what they look like on my fingers, and I'm gonna swatch them on my hand. And that's what some of those shades looks like swatched out. And I'm very excited about this palette, guys. I'm ready to use it. Ooh, I can't wait to see what kind of looks I can come up with. It's a lot of shimmer and matte shades, so that is good. This right here, guys, retails for $34. So that was our final product in our BoxyCharm base box, the $25 box. I'm going to quickly add things up and we're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So I received from Voss this Olive You Forever palette. From Pure Cosmetics, this 4-in-1 moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. From Pharmacy, this Daily Greens moisturizer. From Seraphine Botanicals, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, this lip mask. And from Trust Fund Beauty, this lip gloss. So these 5 products right here, my loves. And the total for my box was $150. And I do have variation letter C 2101015-BA. Okay, I don't know why they changed. I don't know what this is about, but that's my number. Final thoughts on this box. First of all, let's talk about the price point. So on their site, they have an average value of up to $175. So I was under the average value because my box retailed for $150. So I'm not really sure about how I feel about that. I mean, it is $25, so it's not technically that bad, but my thoughts on this box was I actually really love the fact that I got this palette, this foundation, and this moisturizer. These 3 products right here made the box for me personally. These 2 products right here, they could have kept because I look at these as kind of like filler products, and why give me like 2 lip products? So, I mean, I just wish I would have been, you know, received other products instead of 2 lip products. But for the most part, it was makeup heavy. I got a foundation and a palette. I'm excited to try this foundation. I hope that we're able to use it. As it dries down, it looks a little bit more workable, I guess. I just hope that it's not too light on my skin tone, but I am very excited to see what I got in my premium box. I'm hoping that that one is good, but this one was pretty decent. What y'all think? I think it was okay. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn woods. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give January's BoxyCharm a whopping 3.5. I did not think it was a terrible box. I just wish that I would have received different products other than 2 lip products. So that's it. I didn't go too hard on them this month, I don't think. But y'all let me know down in the comments of what you thought of my box. Let me know what you got in your box and what variation you got. Yes, make sure you follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, become a part of my family. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. I can't talk tonight, y'all. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I look forward to chit-chatting it up with y'all. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.